rail fan here. We got a southbound that just left the siding in Har, where County Road F is. So the intermodal auto rack met a southbound. I might be the M357 that just went through here. And I heard the northbound on the defect detector at milepost 383.7 in Har, where the siding is. So now the southbound just left the siding, or at least it's leaving the siding right now. It's on its way down here. It's got to clear around the corner down there. Here at milepost 377.0. My last train of today. It's already almost 6 o'clock, so hopefully I'll get some more stuff tomorrow, but before then, let's get this one last train for today. Another intermodal auto rack though. Southbound milepost 377.0. Last train for today. I head south toward Gibor, where milepost 360 is, no, 370. So, alright. Here at Lemington, Wisconsin. So that heads to Weirgore and then Exland. Alright, last train for today. I'll come back tomorrow. Hopefully get some good stuff as well. Pretty good day on the railroad. Here in the afternoon. I didn't get anything in the morning. But anyways, see you in the next one.